Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a recipe for DIY Daily Harvest. Daily Harvest are these little make-ahead smoothie companies, and they ship these bougie, wildly exotic ingredients to your door. You dump them in a blender and you make your smoothie every morning. My girlfriend got some. She really loves them. I'm sure the company is great, but I did the math. It comes out to about $8 a smoothie.
I bet we can do better than that. Stick around and I'll show you how we can make a big batch of my favorite flavor, the avocado cacao, and it only takes about 15 minutes. For the smoothies, we're going to start off with dates. These provide healthy sweetness to the smoothie. They can be left out for keto and low-carb diets, but even with the dates, the final smoothie is only about 8 grams of carbs. Next, we're going to need 2 of the Big Hass avocados. Choose avocados that are not hard. They should give gently when you squeeze them. For our cups, I've just chosen disposable coffee cups with lids, and this will protect the ingredients from freezer burn. You can also just use glass mason jars for your containers. Our first exotic ingredient is cacao nibs. Now, cacao nibs are simply dried and fermented cocoa beans, the ingredient we use to make chocolate. We call them nibs because they're cracked into little pieces. They have a chocolate fragrance and a bit of snap, but almost no sugar, making them substantially healthier. Next up, we have cacao powder, but you could also use cocoa powder in a pinch. And we have some roasted pepitas, which are pumpkin seeds. For the body of the smoothie, I have 2 organic zucchinis, and my favorite ingredient, the coconut butter, which is like a paste made from fresh coconut, and it smells like a fresh pina colada. You'll need your favorite milk for the smoothie, and you just need a dash of any vanilla flavored protein powder. This is my favorite, but you don't have to use something this expensive. The last ingredient is powdered stevia, which is completely optional. For our smoothie prep, I'll chop all of the ingredients and then measure them into our freezer-safe cups. For the zucchini, trim off the stem and then slice down the middle. Then I'll slice down each zucchini half again, making 4 spears. And then, of course, we'll flip that to the side and cut it into dice. Reserve the zucchini slices and then we'll move on to the avocado. For the avocado, using a sharp knife, cut straight down until you hit the pit of the avocado. Rotate the avocado around the blade. When you rotate it the full 360 degrees, it will be sliced in half. Turn it like a key and you'll have 2 perfect sides. Trim a small piece off each end and you can pull off the leathery skin in one piece. To remove the pit from the avocado, firmly pop the blade of your knife into the pit, turning your wrist ever so slightly. This should pull the pit from the meat of the avocado. Repeat until you have 4 naked avocados. Now you can slice the avocados into thirds and then just create some dice by going over them again. Reserve all the pieces of avocado for when we start measuring the smoothies. For the dates, just slice them in half and then chop them into smaller pieces. Some dates might have a pit and that should be removed and thrown away before dicing well. Reserve the sliced dates. For assembling the smoothie cups, we're going to need a teaspoon and a tablespoon. Lay out your cups and assemble your ingredients to get started. Our recipe makes 5 cups of smoothie, so starting with that, take the zucchini and separate them evenly into all the cups. Repeat with the avocado pieces, separating them evenly among the 5 cups. Now place your dates evenly among your cups. The pumpkin seeds are easy. We just add 1 tablespoon in each cup. For the cacao, just add about 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon per cup. For the cocoa powder, I don't really measure, I just add a little shaky per cup. Now I'll add a heaping teaspoon of vegan vanilla protein powder to each cup. The Daily Harvest version does not have protein powder in each smoothie, but I find that it does make me feel fuller for longer. Now I'm adding a heaping teaspoon of the coconut manna to each cup. I like it sweet, so I add 2 packets of stevia to each cup. To finish up, just add a pinch of salt in each cup. Now we're all done. We'll just place the lids on the cups and then go put all of the smoothies in the freezer. Now you can pull out smoothies one by one, and this is how you'll make them. Pour your favorite milk into your smoothie cup. Dump your whole cup into the blender. And blend for 1 minute. Well, there you have it, guys, the avocado and cacao smoothie from Daily Harvest, made DIY. I'll leave the ingredients and recipe right below, and it's also on our blog at urbancowgirllife.com. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, I read all the comments. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!